Hey friend, let's get real for a second. Have you ever walked into a room and immediately felt smaller? Or scrolled through social media and wondered why everyone else seems to have it all together while you're just trying to survive the day? You're not alone. We've all been there. But here's the truth: confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build one small step at a time. And in this video, we are going to talk about exactly how you can do that. Not someday, not when you're perfect, but starting right now. Let's dive in. Let's start by understanding your current reality. Alright, before we change anything, we've got to know where we are starting from. So take a moment, pause, and ask yourself, where do I feel confident right now? And where do I feel like I'm constantly second guessing myself? Be honest, no shame, no filter. Confidence begins with clarity, with awareness. You might be killing it at work, but doubting yourself in relationships. Or maybe you are bold around strangers, but super critical of yourself in private. That's okay. The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness. So we can build from the inside out. Grab a notebook or just say it out loud. Because when you speak your truth, you take the first step in owning it. So moving on to the next step in the process, which is to challenge negative self-talk. Now let's talk about that voice in your head. You know, the one that says, I'm not good enough. I'll probably fail. Who do I think I am? Let me tell you something. That voice is lying to you. It's not your truth. It's not your fear. It's your past. It's someone else's words that you accidentally started believing. So here's what you do. When that voice starts, pause, take a breath, and ask, is this actually true? Would I talk to someone I love this way? Then flip the script. Try something like, I'm doing the best I can, and that's enough. Every mistake is making me stronger. I'm allowed to be a work in progress and still love myself. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start being kinder to you. So now, here's the third step, which involves building a positive self-image. Confidence isn't just mental, it's emotional. And yes, it's visual too. Take a moment to think about all the things you've already accomplished, no matter how small. You finished a tough project. You got through a hard day. You kept going when you wanted to give up. That matters. Start collecting those wins. Write them down. Revisit them. Own them. And while you're at it, show yourself some love. Get dressed in something that makes you feel good. Practice gratitude for your strengths. Move your body. Fuel it right. And rest when you need to. Confidence grows in the space between action and compassion. Moving on to the next phase of this process, let's start taking action and setting goals. Here's where we build real momentum. Confidence is built through action, not just positive thinking. So what's one small goal you've been putting off? Maybe it's speaking up in a meeting, going to that gym class, starting that passion project. Break it down. Tiny steps. Every time you want to take action, especially when it's uncomfortable, you build proof. Proof that you can do hard things. Proof that your voice matters. proof that you're capable. And that proof becomes power. And here's the final step in the process: start embracing your authentic self. Here's the secret no one tells you: you don't need to fix yourself to be confident. You need to accept yourself, all of it. The weird quirks, the unique ideas, the flaws, and the brilliance. Confidence isn't about becoming someone else, it's about becoming more of you. Surround yourself with people who get that, who celebrate you, who lift you up. Because the truth is, there's no one else like you. And the more you own that, the more magnetic you become. So let's recap. Reflect honestly on where you are. Challenge that inner critic. Build your self image through action and care. Set goals and celebrate every win. And last but not the least, embrace the amazing, one of a kind person you already are. You don't need to wait for confidence to arrive. You can start building it right now. So I'll ask you, what's one small action you're going to take today to boost your confidence? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a reminder of their power. Remember this: you are enough, you are worthy, and you are just getting started.